Infantry Day for the military. Right now they're celebrating it up in the camp. A very important day for the military because today we celebrate the life of Saffron Bainimarama, the only VC holder. We all know how he died, he gave up his life so his comrades can get through the battle that they were fighting on that particular day. I was invited to that, but I was also told of an invitation here, so I insist on coming here to talk to you about tomorrow's game and how important it is. Not only for Fiji Rugby, not only for the families, your supporters sitting there, but for you, the Flying Fijian team. How important this game is for us to win, because tomorrow we have to win. Mother memory, sort of the Tonga, sort of the Samoa, that's another game, another time. Last week we played Italy, we barely scraped through the skin of our teeth. Forget about last week, forget about the game with Australia, forget about the game we played in Tonga and Samoa, which we won convincingly here. Forget all about those games. And I want you to focus on tomorrow's game. Tomorrow, you must put all your mind on tomorrow's game. We must win. You must beat yourself tomorrow. For those that played last week, you have to play 10 notches up tomorrow. We've heard about the Scottish team playing and winning against Australia. That's no big deal for us. Because tomorrow will be a battle. The World Rugby has given us an opportunity to move notches up in our rating. And for tomorrow, another opportunity like this may never come again. For touring team to come down here and play us. So the responsibility, the honor is with you now, tomorrow, to pull through this battle. Because it's a battle. It's a battle of wills, battle of guts, battle of strength, battle of stamina. Most of all, battle of guts. But I want to tell you that the people of Fiji want you to win. Last week, there was some concern about the grandstand or the ground not full. There was some complaint by old players that we didn't have enough spectators. And I told them last week, well, we won against England. We have now 1 week to prepare, and next week we will show the people of Fiji how we play. Nabi tanwa sarang kila tahu tansungan dari Pulau Fiji. La whole of last week when I was in Honolulu, all they talked about when they came to me was how they're going to miss the game. So I told them they may tanwa I will be in New Zealand instead of Honolulu. But how they're going to miss watching the game this week when you play tomorrow against Scotland. But as I said, this is the one opportunity that the World Rugby has given us to move up in our rating. Not only move up in our rating, to showcase Fiji Rugby in the world of rugby. This is the one opportunity. We had the opportunity last week with Italy. Italy is number 15, number 16. And World Rating, we are number 10. Scotland is number 5. So World Rugby is telling us prove yourself tomorrow. We're going to give you the number 5 rated team. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to win. And we must win. We must show guts on the field tomorrow. Don't play for anybody else. You can play for them. You can shake their hand and kiss them after the game. But tomorrow you play for yourself. Tomorrow you must beat yourself. Play 10 matches out. We must win. We must have the guts to play and win. Thank you.